Found a UDC file referenced in a SharePoint info path form and wondering what it does? This is a universal data connection file defining how forms connect to data sources. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view and edit these universal data connection files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange UDC formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A UDC file is a universal data connection file used by Microsoft services like SharePoint and Excel to store connection information for external data sources. Users encounter these files when setting up data-driven web parts or spreadsheets that need to pull information from databases like SQL Server or other OLE DB ODBC sources. The UDC file is a simple XML-based or plain text file. This human-readable design was chosen to make connection strings easy to create, edit, and manage, even with a basic text editor. It stores parameters like the data provider, server name, and authentication details, allowing applications to establish a data connection. To gain full access to UDC, the application needed is Microsoft SharePoint from Microsoft Corporation. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows treats these files like plain text, but improper changes can disrupt system behavior. Open the context menu by right-clicking your UDC file and choosing Open With. Try Microsoft SharePoint first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If your UDC file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. This UDC file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, opening an InfoPath Designer. Install Microsoft InfoPath Designer 2013, part of the Office 2013 suite. Launch InfoPath Designer and use Data tab, then Data Connections to manage UDC files. Import or convert the UDC connection into your form template, enabling the form to retrieve and submit data through the defined connection. Next, editing in a text editor. UDC files are XML text files that can be opened in Notepad, Notepad++, or Visual Studio Code. Open the file to view and modify connection details, including server URLs, authentication settings, and parameters. Save changes and validate the XML structure before publishing back to SharePoint or InfoPath. Finally, managing in SharePoint. Upload UDC files to a SharePoint data connection library, where they can be centrally managed and referenced by InfoPath forms across the site collection. Use the site settings, then Data Connection Library Administration, to upload, approve, and version UDC files for enterprise form deployment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.